Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can switch the overlay with your main video. So how to make your main video the overlay and the overlay like the background of your video. So this is what you can do. Press overlay and select the overlay that you want to put on the background. So you are going to then press main track and it's going to go back here. And then you are going to select on the other video. And then you are going to press overlay over here. Then you are just going to drag the video to like the beginning. And then select it and then you can press splice, whatever you want. And that's basically how you can switch the layers between the main track and the overlay layer in CapCut. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!